Hello grammar enthusiasts, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into another topic which is 10 different ways to say welcome. Let's explore 10 alternatives that will add flair to your expressions. 10 different ways to say welcome. Hello and welcome. Hi there, welcome to our website. Welcome abroad. Congrats on getting hired. Welcome abroad. Welcome to place. Welcome to New York City. Enjoy your stay. You are welcome to join us. Please feel free to join our club. Glad to see you. Hi friend, glad to see you again. Delighted to have you here. Dinner party starts soon. Delighted to have you here. Thanks for coming. Great turnout at our seminar. Thanks for coming. It's great to finally meet you. Finally put a face to the name. Nice to meet you. We are glad you are here. Excited to kick off our retreat. Glad you are here. I appreciate your presence. Really appreciate you being part of our lives.